कल तुम लोग को इंडियन फ्रीडम फाइटर के बारे में याद करने के लिए दिए थे ना?
यस सर।
तो याद हुआ है? चलो, सबसे पहले सोनम सुनाएगी इंडियन फ्रीडम फाइटर डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर के बारे में, है ना? चलो सुनाओ।
Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was known as the father of Indian Constitution.
थोड़ा जोर से बोलना।
He was born on 14th April 1891 in a small village of Madhya Pradesh.
यस।
He studied at Elephantons at Mumbai University and then studied at Columbia University. He was the first law minister of Indian Constitution.
यस।
He also got awarded Bharat Ratna Award in 1950. He was the 14th child of his parents. He was died on 6 December 1956. Thank you.
वेरी गुड। चलो क्लैपिंग करो।
कैसे करना चाहिए? एक कॉपी में कॉपी रख लें।
कटवा दीजिए ना उधर से।
कोई नहीं है।
जाओ इधर। एक बच्चा जाओ ना, एक बच्चा जाओ। चलो न। सेकंड प्रियांशु, तुम सुनाओ अबाउट महात्मा गांधी। चलो शुरू।
Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader of India. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. Mahatma Gandhi was also known as father of nation in India. He led a movement in 1942. He completed his law study from London. Mahatma Gandhi was real name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His father name was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother name was Putlibai. Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated on 30 January 1948 at the age of 78 years in the compound house of Birla House, a large mansion in central New Delhi. Thank you.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश। चलो क्लैपिंग करो। सोनाक्षी कुमारी, तुम बताएगी डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद के बारे में। चलो शुरू करो।
Dr. Rajendra Prasad was born on 3 December 1884. He was the first president of India. He was great freedom fighter. His father name was Mahadev Sahai and mother name was Kamleshwari Devi. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was a great freedom fighter. He was a loyal and journalist. He was a strong supporter of Mahatma Gandhi. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award, in 1962. Dr. Rajendra Prasad go to jail with Mahatma Gandhi for Satyagraha movement in 1931 and the Quit India movement in 1942. He died of a heart attack in Patna, Bihar on February 28, 1963. Thank you.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश। चलो अब पूछना है सोनाली, तुम बताना है। सुभाष चंद्र बोस।
Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23rd January 1897. He was popularly known as Netaji. Subhash Chandra Bose was a great freedom fighter of India. His father's name was Janakinath Bose and his mother's name was Prabhavati Devi, so he joined the freedom struggle. Subhash Chandra Bose was a great son of Mother India. He wanted free India from British rule. He gave the famous quote, "Give me blood and I shall give you freedom." तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा। थैंक यू।
वेरी गुड, शाबाश। चलो क्लैपिंग करो इसके लिए। चलो अब मुस्कान का बारी है। मुस्कान। तुमको चलो मुस्कान, रानी लक्ष्मीबाई के बारे में। ओके स्टार्ट करो।
Rani Lakshmibai was one of the bravely freedom fighter of India. She was born on 19 November of 1828 in Varanasi. Her father's name was Manupant Tambe and mother's name was Bhagirathi Tambe. The childhood name was Manikarnika, famously known as Manubai. She was married to Raja Gangadhar Rao of Jhansi. Lakshmi Bai fought very bravely with the British to save Jhansi. The famous slogan of the Rani of Jhansi was "मैं तु रान
हम्म,
The famous slogan of the Rani of Jhansi was "मैं अपनी झांसी नहीं दूंगी." Rani Lakshmi Bai died on the battlefield on 17 June 1858. She will always stay in the heart of every Indian. Thank you.
वेरी गुड। चलो अब बताना है सन्नी तुमको, भगत सिंह।
Bhagat Singh was a great freedom fighter of India.
हम्म
It is also known as Shahid Bhagat Singh.
हम्म
He was born in Sikh family in Punjab on 28th September 1907.
हम्म
He turned his life independence movement
हम्म
after the age on 13. He also founded Naujawan was Bharat Sabha. The famous slogan "Inqilab Zindabad" was given by Bhagat Singh. He was died in 23rd March 1931. Thank you.
वेरी गुड।